Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you that how you can save songs on Instagram. But before moving forward, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And now let's begin. First, open your Instagram application. Well, normally on Instagram, videos and reels contains the music or songs. Now let's suppose you are watching some reels and then there comes any song that you want to save. So what you need to do is just type the name, just tap on the name given at the bottom of the video. So tapping on the song name given here, this page will open. So at the top right corner of your screen, you can say the save icon. Tap on this icon now go back, and when you want to use this audio, you need to open your profile and then tap on the three dash menu icon given at top right corner, and then tap on the saved option. Now here at the right side, you can see the audio option or album. You can find all the audios that you save here, and then you can use these audios in your own videos or reels. But if you want to download or save songs directly into your phone, you need to use a third-party application on Instagram. So everyone, this is how you can save songs on Instagram. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.